National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located along a line extending from near Hebron to McHenry, moving at 45 miles per hour. Tornado. Source: radar indicated location. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Round Lake Beach, McHenry, Round Lake, Fox Lake, Lake Villa, Johnsburg, Lake Mirror, Twin Lakes, Spring Grove, and Long Lake around 7:45 p.m. Grays Lake, Antioch, Lindenhurst, Venetian Village, Lake Catherine, in Third Lake around 7:50 p.m. Gurney and Grandwood Park around 7:55 p.m. Waukegan and Wadsworth around 8 p.m. Zion, Beach Park, and Winthrop Harbor around 8:05 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.